Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is May the 14th and the chart of the day for today is the DAX 60 minutes time frame here. So we can see from this chart we ended with 4 in the intermediate degree at 17,626. From here we have started a rally higher and technically should be within the wave 5 in the intermediate degree, and within the wave 5 we still subdivide in the lesser degree right now with another impulse 1 2 looking for 3 4 5. So once we finish this wave 5 in the minute degree, which is in black color here, that should be ending only one in the minor degree, right? So if I try to complete the wave here, that will be something like this. And then once that is complete, it should be finished with this 5 waves rally and then do a bigger pullback in 3 waves like this to finish the wave 2 of 5, right? This is wave 2 of 5 in the intermediate degree and then continues to go higher. Okay, so all in all, what this is showing here is that we are not down to the upside and we should continue to see further upside in the shorter cycle as long as we stay above 17,626. Now if I zoom out to the 4-hour time frame, we're going to be, for this one I think it's sufficient to focus on this cycle here, because even just focusing on this cycle, it is pretty clear what we like to do. So here we are in the 4-hour, and all I'm doing is just copying all this label here into the 4-hour time frame, which is over here. So what we are showing here is a very simple idea here, that if you look at, if I zoom out all the way, of course we continue to make a high low, right? There's no question that this is not bearish, right? Since we continue to make a high low, so this is bullish. And this rally in particular, if we focus on this rally here from April 19, you can see, first of all, since we make a new high, this has to be an impulsive structure. It shouldn't be a corrective structure. And you see a very clear subdivision where we are doing a impulse, and this is a nest. So it's a 1 2 and then another 1 2 3 with a 4 and 5 to come, right? So you can see a clear extension here, and you see a clear nest here, 1 2 1 2. So the structure has a very good probability of being incomplete to the upside, right? I don't see any pullback that resemble the degree of this pullback here so far, and I don't see any pullback that resemble the degree of this pullback in terms of the size and in terms of the time required, right? Every single pullback so far has been shallow, and very quick. So this definitely has not really, in other words, most likely we're going to see at least 2 more high, which is basically to finish with 4 in blue and with 4 in black, and then looking for 4 in blue, 5 in blue, 4 in black, 5 in black. So at least 2 more high before we finish this cycle over here. So shorter cycle, I think we can say most likely we will continue to see further upside in the indices, and any pullback in the shorter cycle therefore should continue to find support in 3711. I think the key here is then if we can see any tourist pullback, and we can try to continue to be aggressively into the long side. But that is only if we can see a decent and a clear tourist pullback, which usually does not happen all the time. Like this one, for example, this one I don't see any clear 3-way subdivision. This one also I don't see any clear 3-way subdivision. Sometimes it will show, sometimes it doesn't show. Now in here, let's say if we do something like this, one, and then we rally a little bit and then we fail and go down, that will be a clear 3 waves, and then you can look to buy in the dips here. That will be your wave 4 in blue if that's the case as an ABC, right? So you can continue to buy in the dips again, as long as we have not seen wave 5 in blue, wave 5 in black, any pullback from the peak in 3711 is going to continue to find support and continue to favor the upside. Okay, so that's the update here, guys, for today. And as always, if you want to get more updates on the DAX or any other index, ETF, stocks, Forex, commodities, Feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time and have a nice day everyone.